Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Alon Lowande, also known as Sapphire Jua, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Today I will be admonishing judging us on power to push. Power to push. I lift up my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. This is a saying, the word of King David, one of the greatest men that ever lived on earth. I'm talking about power to push. Guys, sometimes life brings us to a dead end. Hmm. And suddenly we find ourselves up against a seemingly impossible situations. Most times it's like being blinded by hopelessness and crippled by helplessness all at the same time. We are confused, and everywhere we turn to for help, we look like a concrete wall that has been built to reach the sky. Walls that seems impenetrable and unsurmountable. When it happens like that, what we need is something extra, something outside of us, something divine. We need the helping hand of God to see us through the blind alley of life. Yes, although we have in us an endless deposit of greatness, we cannot fully unleash unless all the potentials in us if we fail to connect rightly with the source of our greatness, and that is our Creator. It does not matter who you are or what you have, you must acknowledge the existence of the Supreme Creator and the Sustainer of life. As we desire and as we go on in the quest to change the inequality in our world, to bring heaven down on to earth, for humanity to live a heaven on earth life, you must be able to draw from His timeless providence and tap from Him the power to push ahead in life. For as many who have lost it one time or the other, you've lost every hope for a better and a new world, for a better, a new life to live in. When you are down, you need a hand to lift you up, a hand that is higher, that is stronger than you to lift you up. You may be strong, agile, and vibrant. Even if you are resourceful, combustible, and dynamic today, a time will come when you will need to link up with the unseen but great hand that moves the world. Yes, the supreme being is the unseen power that rules in the affairs of man. We cannot deny our spirituality. It is all part of our wholesomeness. I'm admonishing and I'm charging you this time. If you have God as a father, please call home today. I recapitulate. If you have God as a father, please call home today. Thank you very much. I want you to ruminate and think over this short word of exhortation, this short charge these words of wisdom, that in every situation, in any circumstance you find yourself in this life, and if you have God as a father, put a call across to him today. All storm will cease. Every challenges will drop, and you will have a success. Thank you all. I want you to like this broadcast. Now I want you also to subscribe to it and share to others. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.